Okay, so can you buy OTC stocks on Charles Schwab? Can you buy OTC stocks on Charles Schwab? The short answer is yes, you can buy OTC over-the-counter stocks on Charles Schwab. However, unlike US listed stocks and ETFs, which trade commission free, Schwab charges a flat $6.95 commission per OTC trade, and foreign ordinary shares cost $50 per trade. OTC stocks are available on Schwab's platforms, but they carry a higher risk and stricter cash requirements. So if you were wondering, can you buy OTC stocks on Charles Schwab? The answer is yes. OTC stocks and penny stocks can be traded through Schwab's platforms, web, desktop, and mobile. OTC stocks basically charges you $6.95 per trade. Then you also have $50 per trade for foreign ordinary shares. Phone trades charge extra $5 automated and $25 a human representative involved.